Welcome to the Cadran Security Generator webcast. In this webcast, we will show you the main features of the Security Generator, which is available for all J.D. Edwards Enterprise 1 versions from XE to 9.1. We will show you the following features: copying a user ID, including a full security generation, and deleting a user ID. A new user ID is usually a copy of an existing one. The program User ID Copy and Delete allows you to copy a user ID, including the assigned models. The security generation will be automatically started, and within a minute a new user ID is ready to log on to J.D. Edwards. I select Security Generator User 2 as the copy from User ID. Hit the Copy button and fill out the copy to User ID. In this case, Security Generator User 4. The address number is automatically retrieved if the long address number is filled with the User ID. Hit the Copy button to start creating the new User ID. The records in the tables mentioned on the left side will be copied and can be switched on or off in the processing options. The table F00950 represents the generation of the security records based on the models assigned to the user ID. The PDFs are the result of the various steps in the generation process. Deleting a user ID in standard J.D. Edwards requires the use of several programs. The program User ID Copy and Delete allows you to delete a user ID by the push of a button. By hitting the Delete button, the records in the tables mentioned on the left will be deleted. However, the address book number and the security generator history records will be kept. We will show you the following features: add a new task and add a model for the task. The new program Task View versus Models allows you to easily maintain your task view, including the models to which the tasks are assigned. Multiple task views can be maintained, and through the processing option, a specific task view can be selected to work on. I search for the subfolder to add the new task to. In this case, the subfolder Journal Entry. Add 20 in the status code for a new task. Fill out the task view number, presentation sequence, task name, parent task ID, child task ID, task type, object name, version, and option code. Fill out the field version F00950 if the application security should be set on the version itself. Fill out the field user ID with the model to which the security should be attached to. Click Update to save the changes. Click Add to update the task view and security tables. The status has changed to 92 to indicate the additions have been made. Adding a new task in the last action resulted in a new security record for model AAA 09D001. The program Model Security Refresh will indicate automatically which models are affected and need refreshing. An effective from date can be included in the new security records. Assigning a model, which includes the security records, to a user ID consists of a few clicks. In this case, I'm going to attach the Journal Entry model to Security Generator User 4, and here I can include a date on which the model will become effective for the user. Security Generation will generate the security lines attached to the models to the user IDs based on configurable security rules. First, I will show the current set of security records for Security Generator User 4. The automatic generation program will run on the server. And the following is the result of adding the model in the previous step. In the Security Generator tool, there is the possibility to set up conflicts. Conflicts can be set up on object and model level and indicate a situation on which a decision has to be made whether the objects and/or models are allowed for the user. First, I'm going to add a conflict on object level between the bank accounts and manual payment programs. If a user should get these two programs assigned, a decision has to be made. Allow one of the programs, both of them, or none of them. Security cannot be generated before the conflict is solved. Next, I'm going to add a conflict between two models. They could be, for instance, a transactional and a setup model. If both of these models are assigned to a certain user, security cannot be generated before it's decided whether the user will get Model 1, Model 4, both models, or none. Thank you for watching our webcast video. We hope this demonstration has given you a good idea how Security Generator works. If you have any questions, please contact us.